Hello there, this is Tim again with Highmark Communication, and today I'd like to show you how to register one of the 1060 3M headsets to its base station. You'll know that it's a 1060 headset by the reddish-orange buttons, and that's one of the clear indicators of what type it is. That particular headset goes to one of these base stations. Now, it's common for this base station to be missing its cover, as you see here. Um, there are other instances where you'll see a cover on it, but most of the restaurants I've ever been in, the cover has gone missing, and it's okay. Doesn't. It's aesthetics only. It doesn't change the function of the unit. So this particular headset goes with this base station, and to register it, it's very simple. First, we're going to put the battery in the headset. Of course, you put that in the bottom first and click on the top. The second is identify the programming dock. The programming dock will be connected to the base station with what looks like a phone cord. And with this particular unit, to register it, you actually place the headset, you swing the microphone up into the up position and place the headset into the dock as seen here. You want to have the headset all the way back into the dock when you try to do this. The second step is that you simply use the power button, which is right here on the headset, and turn the headset on. When you do that, you will hear the headset go dee-doo, 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 and then finally boop. You'll also see that the green light will flash while it's registering, and then as soon as the green light goes solid, that means it has registered. You do not need to do anything on the base itself. It is all accomplished with the programming dock here. And once you have it registered and you have the solid green light, then you can test it and you can see that the headset will function. So once again, this is the 1060 headset, goes with the 1060 base station, although sometimes you'll see it'll say C960. That's okay, it'll work with just fine with that. And all you have to do is place the headset into the dock as shown and turn the headset on, listen until the warbling tone stops, then the headset will be registered and it will be ready to be used at that point. Thank you and have a great day.